Okay, when your washing machine is supposed to spin, is this what it does? Okay, what I'm going to do is set the machine back down on a couple of paint cans. Okay, what we noticed right away about this machine, about this Whirlpool, was that it wasn't the lid switch, because you could hear the motor activated. So we turn it over on the back and we see that there is, it's nice and clean, so it's not transmission failure. That's usually noted with a lot of oil splatter on the floor. It looks like what we have here on this particular machine is a rubber coupler fail. So we're going to be replacing the coupler, and I'll show you where that's at. Okay, moving down underneath the machine here, you can see right here that the rubber, there's supposed to be a rubber coupler right in here between these nubs. So we're going to be taking this assembly apart and installing a new coupler. Okay, well, some videos will encourage you to remove the whole cover, the whole skirt. We're going to try to do this a little bit easier, a little simpler. It's a little bit tighter, but it can be done. And so we start out by removing these clips on the inside here and pop them off the pump, and then we'll remove the pump. Okay, these snaps right here, these snaps here just pop right off. You just take some screwdrivers and just pop those off the top on both sides, and just pull the pump up. Okay, to pop the clip off, it's real simple. You just take a screwdriver and pop this up, and then pull this motor, or pull the electrical clip out. Next, we have to remove these. There's one of these strap brackets on each side of the motor, and they're held on by a 1/4 inch screw. Just unscrew these on each side, and then we'll just lift the motor right up. Okay, once you get these brackets unscrewed, just pull it away and give it a turn at 45 degrees like that, and just pull it out. And on the back side, we just have to pop that one off. Okay, now the fun part, we just lift this motor up, pull it right up. The rubber piece in the middle is just destroyed. So that's why we had no spin cycle. You can see just how absolutely destroyed it is. And we're going to pop off the bottom part of the coupler that's on the pump. Okay, with the screwdriver inserted right underneath that, just pop that up. Slide it up, and out she comes. And there we see we have another tab broken off that side. So got 2 broken tabs and 1 mangled rubber cushion between. Okay, to remove the other broken part of the coupler off of the motor, same thing, you just put your screwdriver into the back side and it comes right off. This one here is actually cracked. We'll get a new one of these in the morning, and we'll pop it back on, and we'll be back in the spin cycle. Just got back from the parts store, and this is our new coupler. We start out by installing 1/2 of the coupler onto the motor shaft, and the best way to tap this on is just get a socket and just tap this on so that this comes flush with the shaft. Okay, are you still running? Okay. There we go. Okay. So we've got it on the motor shaft. Now we take the other half, put it down here on the gear, on the transmission assembly. Same thing. We just take a little socket and pretty good. Okay. Simple dimple. And now that we have this flush with the shaft, we take this rubber coupler cushion, we drop it in on one side of the coupler. We take our and put it at about a 12 o'clock position. Then we take our motor and we position that so that we can drop it right down into the coupler. Well, theoretically, that's the way it's supposed to work. There we go. Once you get the motor in and the straps popped back on, you just put these little keeper screws in and tighten it up. 1/4 inch socket or nut driver, and then we'll pop the pump on and we'll be good to go. Okay, once you've got the nuts in the straps, and put the back pump strap on, square it off, drop the pump down, slide this strap up on the back, you can hear it pop. Same thing with the front, just drop it right in the front hole here, pull it up, pop it on, done. Now we can wash our dirty clothes. Okay, now for the true test. And here we get to find out if we're successful. There we go.